Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Challenger versus the Audi RS7. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, from raw power to refined luxury. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle aligns best with your driving preferences and lifestyle. We'll cover performance, interior design, and overall value, giving you a clear picture of these two very different machines. When it comes to performance, the Challenger often features a robust V8 engine, delivering immense horsepower and a classic muscle car feel. The RS7, however, utilizes a sophisticated twin-turbo V8, paired with advanced all-wheel drive for incredible grip and rapid acceleration. While the Challenger focuses on straight-line dominance, the RS7 offers a more balanced, high-speed grand touring experience. Inside, the Challenger embraces a nostalgic, driver-centric cockpit with straightforward controls and comfortable seating. The RS7 presents a stark contrast, offering a modern, opulent cabin filled with premium materials, advanced digital displays, and cutting-edge technology. Both provide ample space, but the RS7 leans into luxury and refinement, while the Challenger prioritizes a classic, performance-oriented atmosphere. Regarding value, the Challenger generally offers a more accessible entry point, providing significant power for its price. The RS7, with its advanced engineering, luxurious appointments, and superior handling, comes at a considerably higher cost. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw, American muscle and a lower price tag, or sophisticated European luxury and all-around performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.